In this video, we will see how to make a simple fire pit out of concrete. Wooden boards are measured, aligned, and assembled into a square mold. The boards are secured with screws so a rigid structure can be created. This formwork will determine the final shape of the concrete fire pit. Extra braces are added to strengthen the mold because wet concrete creates strong outward pressure, and weaker forms could easily bend or shift during the pour. The construction area in the yard is then prepared. The form is temporarily placed on the ground so the final position and size can be visualized. Once the location is confirmed, the ground is marked and digging begins. Soil is removed to create a shallow foundation pit that will support the structure. As digging continues, the base of the hole is leveled and loose soil is cleared away. Creating a flat and stable base is essential because uneven ground could cause the concrete to settle unevenly over time. A well-leveled base allows the weight of the fire pit to be distributed evenly and increases the long-term stability of the structure. The outer and inner molds are placed into the prepared space. These two forms create the hollow center where the fire will eventually burn. The distance between the molds determines the thickness of the concrete walls. Careful adjustments are made so all sides remain straight and evenly spaced. Reinforcement elements are added inside the mold before the concrete is poured. This reinforcement helps strengthen the structure and reduce the risk of cracking caused by heat stress and ground movement. Adding structural support at this stage greatly improves durability and ensures the fire pit can handle repeated heating and cooling cycles. Concrete is gradually added into the mold in controlled layers. Instead of pouring everything at once, the mixture is distributed around the form step by step. This approach helps prevent air pockets and ensures the concrete fills all corners evenly. As the form begins to fill, the concrete is compacted and lightly vibrated so trapped air bubbles can escape. This improves structural strength and produces a cleaner surface finish. The top edges are then leveled and smoothed using a straight tool so a clean rim is created. After pouring is completed, the concrete is left to cure. During this stage, the mixture slowly hardens through chemical reactions inside the material. Allowing sufficient curing time is extremely important because removing the mold too early could weaken the structure or damage the edges. Once the concrete has hardened, screws are removed and the wooden boards are carefully detached. The final concrete shape is gradually revealed as the formwork is lifted away. Clean lines and solid walls are now visible, showing the exact structure that was created by the mold. The surrounding area is cleaned and decorative gravel is spread around the fire pit. Gravel improves drainage, prevents mud from forming around the structure and visually separates the fire pit area from the rest of the yard.